Thank you.
Hey, Charan showed up. Even his baby.
Just because Charan showed up. I show up every time to that. In your face, Venki. Alright, guys. Deepak wants to speak a few words.
Thank you everyone. Okay, light up.
That's okay, go ahead.
Why are you wearing medium size shirt?
Wait. Wait, pause.
Live. Hey, and the light look.
Okay, go live.
Yes.
Language, guys.
Language English.
Thank you everyone. Thank you PCC for showing up here today. I stand with a lot of pride, gratitude, and of course a little bit of sad feelings. I'm going to miss you all. It has been a great journey. I thank every teammate and special thanks to Sukshma ji for coming up here for me.
Really? Yeah. Yeah.
It is like I'm the president.
Very emotional, sir.
No interruption, please.
17 years is a long journey, like
What's that in 17 years?
17 years. When this is like the this is a I think I grew up in a very huge family in India, which is like 75 to 100 members, and I found that same strength of family here in US. When I first came to US, I didn't know anyone. Piku picked me up from a parking lot, got me to the game, introduced to PCC. I think I cannot be more thankful, or I cannot express my gratitude to him. And all the support from all the teammates, all these years, all the captains who have supported me throughout my, they shaped me both as a player as well as, my youth or my
Middle age.
adulthood, family life, everything. Like there's support, in all ways. And running this club is not an easy thing. You have to pick good players as well as pick good people. Good people is more important than good club, good skill set. I think that's where if I have any suggestion to the club, that's one thing. Always respect your club mates. Always, doesn't matter what the skill level is. It's always good people who make this club this strong. I don't know what else I can say, but cheers to PCC.
All hail the legend Bokka. Good.
Just a few more minutes. AB, can you just come? Take care of him, been with him for 17 years. I just want AB to share a few thoughts and words for Boca.
Louder. For your age it's tough, but louder.
Louder. So, I mean, I've seen Boca when he was a really. I wrote it and for. I've seen him as a very young, thin, extremely athletic cricketer. I know it's very difficult for some of you to think about it now, but he was a fantastic medium pacer,
Born
fantastic
talented.
batsman, very good fielder, amazing all-rounder. Exceptional, like DJ used to be.
Sanjana was not born
was an
right.
all-rounder. Let's not get married.
No, but seriously, we could always depend on Boca to get us that inning or those wickets that we always were looking for. Yeah. And for the longest time, he was like that.
Guys,
Guys. And then, of course, he went, worked elsewhere, and then he came back, and then
What happened?
we almost got two.
Agastya!
Boca 2.0. We got a Boca 2.0, right? And he became a leg spinner, and even that, he mastered that as well.
Hey!
So hats off to him for mastering that one. I know we've had our discussions about getting back in shape.
Oh, sensitive topics.
That's honestly
Rohit
something
Sharma,
that
Ajit Agarkar topics.
I want to make sure that I know. I care about you a lot more than you know. I really need you to take care of that the most. Out of
AB was there for my wedding engagement.
Yeah, I was there. So I want to wish you the very best. Thank you.
God Boca! Seriously, God Boca!
I don't want to name
Boca
any
correct.
single person.
Can I get your Bavada account
I
login?
know. I think there are some great friendships I made in this club. I can never forget that. I think that's the most important thing I learned in this USA is this. Most valuable.
One memorable moment with your legacy teammates and one with the youngsters.
Legacy అంటే ఏంద్రా?
Legacy
championship.
I know we spoke a lot. AB spoke, G spoke about personal cricket, club life, everything. I've been a witness to Boca and his skills and the person he is from day one because we studied in the same university. We played in the same parking lots. I saw him break his finger all the way till here. He was in a cast for what 3 months. That's the kind of competitor he was, and he still is. I'm going to take a different approach to what I saw here of him, right? Over the years, he had to leave the club, he had to go to California, he went to Wisconsin, he came back, he played for us again. He's for me a definition of a true PCCN.
Hey!
Hey! More than that, a definition of a true friend and a true sportsman. I'll tell you why. AB told you, right? He was very athletic. He was amazingly athletic. You would have been in awe of some of the catches he took in the field, some of the all-round performances he gave. He won so many games. And it's not like, oh, he won games which didn't matter. It mattered. It's not even just, oh, it's B division, A division, Premier. It didn't matter. You put him there, he won. And then he had to leave it and go to California. He put on weight. He came back. He went to Wisconsin. He came back. He put on more weight. And it's not just because, oh, he wanted to do that. I am telling you this because not to put him down. I'll tell you what. All of us on the field, off the field have made fun of him. It's not easy to be made fun of constantly every day. Whenever someone looks at you, you see in their eyes that they are looking at you, not in your eyes, they are looking at you overall. It's not easy to deal with that kind of judgment by everybody, including his own teammates, including his own family, his own friends. And yet show up constantly, competitive, take 40 wickets, take 40 wickets. That is the competitor he was as a cricketer, or he is as a cricketer. But then over those 16 years that I know him, I have seen him transform, like G said, in such big roles. What he learned from cricket, what he endured as He was at a point where he was not even being picked in the 11 for any of the teams in PCC. He was so disappointed. He was even thinking of leaving, but he never left. To go to that depth of low and then to rise back again and be the best bowler in NTCA, that shows character. And that character, he just didn't show it in on the field. He showed it off the field. And I'm not just talking about my friendship with him. Whether as a captain or whether as any role that I've played in PCC or in NTCA, we've had conversations, and I've always told him, why do you get yourself into the middle of things where it's not concerning you? But that's the person he is. Each one of you, I'm pretty sure, has called him, had conversations with him about what's going wrong in the team, what's going wrong with your performance as a batsman, as a bowler. And he's always been there to solve people's problems. That's the kind of person he is. He has never backed out, even though he has heard voices like me say, that's not your problem, let someone else handle it. He's always taken calls, he's always been there for people, and I know he suffered mentally through it, but you kept it up. So, you are amazing, stay amazing, all the best to you. Him and Radha had come down for a game.
That's the championship game.
Championship game against Notex. Premier.
Radha was flying that time also.
Huh?
Radha was flying from that time.
So both of them came down. That was my first meeting that I had with Boca. I didn't know who he was. From then, 2012. Premier Division Championship game. Yeah, championship game. So from then, Boca and I formed, thank you, whatever, cricket relationships and all of that. I remember one instance that's the only thing I want to talk about. When I became the captain, Boca, I remember I fought with AB that Boca has to be in my team because that time he had become.
Fought with AB? Oh.
Rohit Sharma!
So Boca at that point had become a leg spinner. Okay, this was
So AB is the villain.
No.
AB is the villain.
Always with me. So back then he was a super medium pacer. Viku used to always tell me one thing. There's one person I trust in any pressure situation is Boca. His slower ball, if today you wake him up and ask him to bowl a slower ball, medium pace, still no, you won't be able to pick it. But anyway, so he just started bowling leg spin at one point. And the previous season, he hadn't had a great time bowling leg spin because he didn't have confidence. So that year, a Cubs had become captain. He came, I said, bowl, bindas bowl. He bowled a little badly and all of that. Then he only came to me, he said, Venki, I think I should go back to medium pace. I said, what is the problem? What will happen? So then after the game, he came and told me, like I felt so good that you said, no, just do what you want to do. And that's when I realized the kind of competitor he is. He wasn't able to bowl medium pace a certain way that he used to. He was exceptional. And then he's like, oh, this is my new journey. And then the way he revolutionized himself as a leg spinner, right? The way he would bowl, the way he would outthink batsmen, the way he would win games at that point because we didn't have a spinner at that point. That was unbelievable. But like everyone, I also want to talk about his personal, the kind of hardships with work that he's had. The kind of hardships with work he's had, he's moved to different places, he's tried for different jobs. Finally, always wanted to come back to Dallas. One big reason he's always said is that this is family. Right? He always, when he lost it, when he didn't have a job somewhere, he came back, he's like, I'm very happy I'm moving to Dallas. I don't care, I don't have a job. I'm like, how can you think like that? He said, this family. That's the kind of relationship Boca has with all of us. Right? It's amazing what Boca has done through his life with PCC, obviously 17 years. I've known him for about 15 of those, or 12 of those. But the way he has changed as a person in different points and still managed to figure out how to be his own competitive self. He's always as competitive as he used to be 17 years back. Right? He's just changed his skill set. So Boca, I love you. Always.
Kiss.
So, okay, I've known him for 17 years, as all you guys know, right? Known him from day one of my cricketing career. Also, also, like with PCC.
Actually, my first game I rode with Jasti.
You rode Jasti.
Not rode Jasti. Rode with Jasti.
Okay. Guys, I've since my day one, I've been with Boca here, and I've known him like just when he started. About the same time I started as well. So like he started off as a medium pacer. Like everybody already spoke, so nothing different than that. But keeping to him is one tough thing I faced myself. Like when I was a keeper, even in my prime, because he used to have that variation, like the slower ball and all that. Like be it even now when he bowls the leg spin or like whatever he bowls, medium or leg spin, in those days even. Whenever we want the breakthrough, he used to get that. No matter how big of a player the other guy is, like in the opponent. Whenever we needed help in getting a breakthrough, he used to get him. We used to have all the trust in him. So he used to be an exceptional bowler. Like everybody knew that nothing different. But then that was all Boca 1.0. Okay, 2.0. 1.0, I have being behind the wickets. I have always liked him in front of the wickets or even throughout the field. 2.0, he used to always be behind the wicket, which is a bit worrisome to me because whenever the ball gets a deflection behind me, he used to just watch me. he doesn't react, so I have to run all the way to get the ball.
He reacts. He used to curse me, but still get the ball.
Yeah, I used to run behind cursing him. So that was always there. But jokes apart, but even 2.0 or 1.0, any game you ask him to play, be it sitting and playing caroms or like
Racquetball.
you get a
Racquetball.
even frisbee, you ask him to play frisbee, he'll be there to play frisbee.
Playing cards also.
Yeah, even cards, whatever he is, like he's a sport, like he's always there. Yeah, actually part of the reason for him to be 2.0 is also me, like because I took everybody to play like the indoor soccer like 7-8 years ago.
You are the
I know.
the reason.
So everybody, I myself got injured, he got injured. I know. So since then, like we always talk about how can he get back to his shape. Like it was always a mutual discussion, but then like things do happen, like kids and whatever. He used to try hard still, but then it didn't work out. But he's promising that he'll get back to better shape next time. And one more thing, like
I twisted Sai up.
yeah. One more thing, he's got that X factor where he left us twice, he came back. So this is the third time he's leaving us. So I'm thinking he's gonna come back. So I'm not giving it like a farewell. So I'm really positive he'll come back to play with us. Okay?
He's coming back as president. English.
It is fucking not DJ. Just FYI.
ChatGPT.
Okay. It's nothing to do with DJ.
అరే బనియన్ కనబడుతుంది తెల్ల షీట్ వేసుకున్నావు
Spirit of cricket is very important when people are living to India. So
స్పిరిట్ ఆఫ్ క్రికెట్ స్పిరిట్ ఆఫ్ క్రికెట్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ when you're living in India.
Yeah, you can repeat.
hey Ishwar, hey Ishwar, go 20 runs. Come here.
You scored how many runs? 2 runs.
Serena. Hey, listen. He's idiot, but listen.
Spirit of cricket is very important when people are living to India. Okay.
Spirit.
There will be so many memories here and there. But, on a serious note, on a serious note, the great memory was what we had was there were a season we were up and down here and we could have 17 matches we won continuously, and he was the highest wicket taker without playing one match. We won a championship 2 times. He was a very sorry Sanjana, here is the big word.
సంజన అంటావు
Top notch with the medium pacer I have seen. anybody, here and there, I already medium pace, too many medium paces, but average medium pace. And here, don't hear, I'll tell you what again. But yeah, Mocha, it's not about cricket. Mocha has been very family, this thing and all. It's very emotional thing he's living. So, in front of so many people, that is different topic. This is all professional and all. Professional. Mocha has done very good job on cricket, I can say that. But family wise, that is not I can't talk right now. I'm very excited. But yes.
I have to thank DJ and Jasti so much because they have been there for me. Doesn't matter what situation I was in. I've seen so much.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Conley boys!
That's why PCC.
Good job, guys. Me also, I cleared your apartment.
Yeah.
Okay, one last time. All hail the goal